everyone. Today over here I have a reasoning question, a verbal reasoning question, and it is a direction sense test question. So let us read the question and try to understand how to solve the question. So the question says that from his house Sam went 15 kilometers to the north, then he turned west and covered 10 kilometers. Then he turned south and covered 5 kilometers. Finally, turning to the east, he covered 10 kilometers. In which direction is he from his house? Now, to solve this question, the most appropriate way would be to, understand that what are the steps he took. So, what I'm going to do over here, I'm trying to bifurcate my question in a manner that I could get a clear idea the distance covered by Sam and the direction which he went. So he went 15 kilometers to the north, turned west and covered 10 kilometers, turned south and covered 5 kilometers, and east, he turned east and covered 10 kilometers. Now over here I could use a rough grid kind of structure. Over here I have a grid, and now what I'm going to do with this one, so this is my north, south, east and west. Now taking one point, so let this point be the original position, so this point be the house of Sam, and I'm taking each one unit length to be 5. So over here, now this question, it is not important to solve the question every time using a proper grid or a graph. We can draw this in a rough diagram, a rough grid kind of structure. So first let us move 15 kilometers to the north. Now since one unit I have taken as 5, so 15 kilometers towards the north, it will be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 5 plus 5 plus 5, that means 15 kilometers towards the north. Then he turned west and covered 10 kilometers. So starting from here, 10 kilometers towards the west, that means 2 units towards the west. Now he turned south and covered 5 kilometers. So from this point, we are turning towards the south, covered 5 kilometers, and finally turned east and covered 10 kilometers. That means 2 more units, so 1 and 2. So the final position I could see over here is 2 units from the house towards the north. So the answer for this question is, now this is 2 units towards the north, so 1 unit that was equal to 5 kilometers and 1 more unit that is equal to 5 kilometers. So the total distance, the gap is of 10 kilometers towards the north. So in which direction is he from his house? So he is in the north direction. So he is towards the north direction from his house. And if the question also asks, if suppose the question is asking that what is the distance, so we can write it as 10 kilometers north from his house. So yes, that was it. And for any such kind of question which is asking about direction sense, the most appropriate way is to use a grid. So yes, that was it. Thank you.